Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to fix your logged in password is auto pressing in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, let me just bring up an image here since the moment I will turn off my computer and try to log in my password there, I won't be able to record it. So it's the very best option to show you an image to completely show you what exactly icons you are going to press on. So let me just expand it. So at the bottom right side of the screen. So here in this area, similarly. So you would be able to see at the bottom right side of the screen, you would be able to see an icon like this, which is your language icon, your PC icon, your ease of access center icon, and your power menu icon. Okay? Again, at the bottom right side of the screen, you can see this four icons. Now, the icon that you need to click on this is your ease of access center. But in case your computer is not showing for this kind of icon, you would be able to see an accessibility icon. Again, you would be able to see an accessibility icon instead of this ease of access center icon. So just click on it, and the moment you click on it, you would be able to see there an option called on-screen keyboard. Again, you would be able to see there on-screen keyboard. All you need to do is you need to click on it, and in that way you would be able to bring up your on-screen keyboard. An on-screen keyboard is a keyboard which is being appearing on the on-screen, meaning in your screen. Okay, so just have to delete all of the keys that is being auto pressed on and use the on-screen keyboard when typing your password. And in that way, just click on enter. You'll be able to see alt as well an enter key there. Click on it and you will be able to open or launch your Windows. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.